Alright, people. So, you're probably wondering why I'm here. Today we're gonna be fixing some ramen. Yeah. Ramen's goddamn good. As good as it can get. Okay, so you want this. Thank you, Bertie. Then you want the ramen. Oh, shit. Then you want to read the instructions, because I don't know how to make this. Alright, first what you do is you get over here and you add your water to your pan. And make sure you make it look good. Yeah. And you pour it out. And you do it again. Then you pour it out. And you do it again for one last time. But make sure you don't put too much water in there, because then you'll fuck yourself up. Next thing you want to do is... Which fucking one does this? Exactly. I think it's this one. I think it's that one. There we go. There it is. Hell yeah. Now while that's starting to boil, or whatever, take you a cold, nice drink of water. Because water's good for you. It's good for your butthole. Next, you find... Never mind, I cannot find it. Birthday! What? God damn it. We need, fucking, shit. We need spicy things. My God, why are you making spicy ramen? Who cares what I'm making? It's just really important. This is not boiled yet. It needs to go higher. It needs to go higher. Alright, so, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Next thing you do is you start banging on the bags. To get everything loosed up in there.
It's more cannibalism. This time he's eating chickens.
Alright, now do that. And that. You have not been boiling for 10 goddamn minutes. And now you boil. Like, that makes no sense. Shit, that's a pretty view outside, I guess. Jesus Christ. Guys, I did not know this was a feature. Turn on, damn it! Alright, so this water's just about boiled. Or just about starting to boil anyways. So I guess the next thing you would want to do is put your noodles in there. Just watch them. Next, you put all that shit in there. Because why the fuck not? And grab you something normal and start stirring with it. Let's see, what do I have to stir with? God damn it. Am I seriously gonna have to use this knife again? Whatever. Oh shit. I'm afraid I'm gonna get cut. But it's worth it for the YouTube video though. Wait, did I just say cut? I meant... Yeah. Anyways. This is some pretty fucked up shit, my brethren. Very. Alright, so... I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to put it on maximum highness. Oh shit, it's getting hot now. Very hot. It's getting very hot. Oh yeah, by the way, take your trash and throw it away. So that way no one else complains when they come in your house. So I was told I was supposed to stir this for like 5 minutes. Jesus fucking Christ. So, apparently, it's supposed to boil for 3 minutes, I believe. But my God, it is not loosening up one fucking bit. I don't know what I did wrong, people. You know? Oh, wait, never mind. There we go. It's all good. Shoot. Well, Spinsby, what do you think of the cooking show? I don't know, man. It's fucking stupid. Shit. It's fucking very stupid as shit. Why do you say it's stupid? I don't know. Just fucking stupid. Birthday, what do you think of my show? It needs work. Like I need to work on my genitals. And you let it boil for a long, long time. Down to the point where it just, just does whatever. Then you put your flavoring in it. After you put your flavoring in, you mix it for a good bit. And it'll be just about done. Yeah, you just gotta mix it up like that. Yep. Then boom, it's done. There you go.